Today we were driving around our local airport and we saw Bob Rogers getting ready to fuel his 2 airplanes. We asked if we could video him and he was delighted to let us do it. Bob owns 2 airplanes. One is a Mustang II, which he built himself. The other is a 1966 V-35 Beechcraft Bonanza. The Mustang II was chosen by the Experimental Aircraft Association to be featured in the official EAA 2015 calendar. Also, a full-size poster of the aircraft was on display in the EAA Welcome Center during AirVenture 2014. An article about the Mustang II was also featured in the 2014 March issue of the EAA Experimenter magazine. The Mustang has a Mazda rotary engine, which generates 160 horsepower at 7,500 RPM. It also has a full stack of avionics and is fully IFR, including an autopilot.
Hi there, this is Bob Rogers, and this is my Mustang II experimental airplane that I built myself. It has an unusual engine that's got a Mazda rotary turbo engine in it from an RX-7, which is takes a lot longer to build, but gave me some good experience on designing everything firewall forward. Puts out about 200 horsepower, and I've got a full IFR panel. The plane also is aerobatic. Cruises about 200 miles an hour, so we can get from A to Z pretty fast.
Bob bought this Beechcraft Bonanza a couple of years ago. It has a beautiful paint job, and he says it's a dream to fly. This aircraft has a Continental IO 550 engine, generating 300 horsepower. This Bonanza also has a full stack of avionics and is fully IFR, including an autopilot. Bob told us that both of his aircraft have steam gauges, which he prefers over glass. He told us he has the best of both worlds, an experimental aircraft for pure fun and a GA aircraft for long trips and comfort.